This message has been transmitted at the request of the Texas State Police Department. There have been reports of people passing out due to infected sounds coming from cell phones of any kind. So, we strongly advise you to turn off all cell and smartphones of any brand or kind without making any sound out of them, as this may happen to you or a family member. Stay calm, and stay indoors. We also advise tech departments and stores to close during this emergency, as this will make sounds from the phone sold there. This will be in effect until further notice. This is not a test. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma State Police Department. There have been cases of people passing out due to infected sounds coming from cell and smartphones. This originated from the state of Texas. So, please stay indoors for now, and carefully turn off all phones of any kind or brand right now. Refusing to do so will result you or a family member to pass out for about a while. The cause is unknown by us and the Texas State Police Department as of this time, and this will go on until further notice. We want tech dealers and stores to close during this emergency. A lockdown is now in effect until further notice. This is not a test. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. The infecting sound coming from phones, which originated from Texas, has now spread across the country. The states are now in lockdown until further notice. The FBI has suspected a hacker doing this, so the cause must be a hack. We will not transmit this message to phones, so we don't pass you out. Over 10,000 passouts have been reported, and over 100 deaths have been reported also. We advise you to fully shut off all phones. All phone lines will be disconnected during this emergency, and all tech dealer and stores will be closed too. This is not a test. All clear. I repeat, all clear. This message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government and FBI officials. The hacker, identified as 34-year-old Murillo Martinez, has decided to turn himself in. He was behind all of the hacks that went on phones around the states. Now, it's all over. Murillo will face charges up to $1,500,000, and from 15 years to life in prison. We would like to thank you for your cooperation.